Think a slow throttle means an expensive trip to the mechanic? Think again. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy methods to reset your throttle position sensor, or TPS. Each method works best in different cases, so you can apply the right fix for your car or throttle type. Don't worry, each step is simple, and I'll also tell you the mistakes you must avoid to stay safe. Let's start with the easiest method, but wait until the 4th one. It's the most reliable when other ways don't work. Method 1. Reset the throttle with battery disconnect. This is the first method. It is perfect for vehicles that use an electronic throttle control system. Use this method when a basic reset is not working, but you must be very careful when handling the battery and never leave the key in the ignition. First, park the car in a safe place and open the hood. Find the battery. Now take a wrench and loosen the nut on the black cable, which is the negative terminal. Once the nut is loose, carefully pull the cable away from the battery. Make sure the metal part of the cable does not touch anything else, because it can cause a short circuit. Now leave the battery disconnected for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the car's system to reset and clear any leftover electrical charge. After that, reconnect the black cable and tighten the nut properly. Next, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine yet. Let the dashboard lights turn on and do their system check. After that, start the car and let it idle for about 10 to 15 minutes without pressing the gas pedal. When the idling time is complete, turn off the engine, restart the car again, and check if there are improvements. If the problem is not fixed yet, don't worry. There's another trick that is slightly more detailed and may be exactly what your car needs. Before jumping into the second method, if this is your very first time here, please hit the subscribe button right now. I'll wait. Done? Awesome. Let's continue. Method 2. Reset the throttle with basic ignition trick. This is the second method, and it works for most modern cars. It is the best choice when your car feels heavy or slow, the throttle is not responding properly, where the engine is revving in a strange way, but there are no error codes on the dashboard. Let's go step by step. First, make sure the car is completely off and parked in a safe place. Take the key out of the ignition and relax for a moment. There is no need to rush. Now put the key back in, but do not start the engine yet. Just turn the key to the on position so the dashboard lights come on. You will see warning lights flashing, but don't worry, this is completely normal. Now go to the gas pedal. This is where things get a little more technical. Slowly press the gas pedal down, and it should take about 4 seconds to push it all the way to the floor. Once the pedal is fully pressed, hold it there for about 3 seconds. Many people rush through this step, but the right way is smooth and steady. The whole process only takes about 7 seconds. After that, slowly release the gas pedal in the same way you pressed it. It should take about 4 seconds to completely lift your foot off the pedal. Now repeat this press, hold, and release process 2 more times, making it 3 times total. It may feel like too much, but if you skip any part, the reset might not work properly. Once you finish all 3 times, turn the key to the off position and remove it from the ignition. Wait for about 10 seconds. Finally, put the key back in, start the engine, and test the throttle response. Check if the engine revs more smoothly and if the throttle feels more responsive when you press the pedal. If you notice a quicker and smoother response, the reset worked perfectly. Method 3. Throttle position sensor reprogramming. This method is mainly for cars that have serious throttle position sensor problems or when you replace the throttle body. If you keep getting error codes that are linked to the TPS, then this is the method you need. But before you start, it is important to check if your TPS is really faulty. Knowing the signs of a damaged TPS will save you time and help you decide if this advanced solution is necessary. Preparation before you begin. First, make sure your car battery is in good working condition. A weak battery can cause issues during this process. Also, here's a helpful tip. If you are not comfortable removing sensors or handling cables, it is better to ask for help so you don't make mistakes that could damage your car. Step 1. Turn off and cool down. Turn the engine completely and make sure it has cooled down. Do not rush this step because working with a hot engine can be dangerous. Step 2. Disconnect battery. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable using a wrench and wait for about 2 minutes. After that, reconnect the cable securely. Step 3. Key on and listen. Now insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine yet. Let the dashboard lights turn on and do their system check. After that, stand near the front of the car and listen carefully. You'll hear a soft buzzing sound coming from the throttle body. This sound means the throttle is learning its position. Be patient here, because the buzzing usually takes 3 to 5 minutes to stop. When the buzzing stops, turn the key to the off position and remove it from the ignition. Now start the engine and let it idle for about 10 to 15 minutes without pressing the gas pedal. This step is very important because it helps the system recalibrate the throttle correctly. Step 5. Test drive and maintenance. Finally, take the car for a short test drive to check if the throttle response feels smooth after the reset. If everything works fine, then your throttle position sensor reprogramming was successful. To keep it running smoothly in the future, make sure you clean the throttle body regularly. This is the next key step to keep your engine healthy and performing well. Method 4. Throttle pedal dance reset method. Have you ever noticed your car shaking at idle or the acceleration feeling weak? Many times this happens because the throttle body loses its correct position. The good news is you don't always need a mechanic. There's a simple trick called the throttle pedal dance reset method that you can do at home. Step 1. Prepare the car. Sit inside, turn everything off, and make sure the engine is not running. Step 2. Turn to key to on. Turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the car yet. The dashboard lights should come on. Step 3. Press the pedal. Now press the accelerator pedal all the way down and release it slowly. Repeat this 4 to 5 times. This sends signals to the ECU, helping it reset the throttle body. Step 4. Start the car. Turn on the engine. You may notice a slightly high idle at first. Don't worry, this is the system relearning the correct throttle position. Step 5. Let it idle. Leave the car running at idle for about 5 minutes. Don't press anything. The ECU will finish the reset automatically. And that's it! You've just reset your car's throttle body at home without tools or a mechanic. This simple trick can improve idle smoothness, fix throttle response, and even save you money. This is last and fifth reset, which is most important. Method 5. Throttle body reset using the fuse box. Sometimes your car engine doesn't feel smooth, the idle is rough, or the acceleration feels slow. One easy way to fix this at home is by doing a throttle body reset through the fuse box. It's quick, safe, and doesn't need any special tools. Let's see how it's done. Step 1. Turn everything off. Park your car safely, turn the engine off, and remove the key. Also make sure headlights, AC, and radio are off. Step 2. Locate the fuse box. Open your car's fuse box. In most cars, it's under the hood, but sometimes you'll find it near the dashboard. Use the fuse box cover to find the fuse that controls the ECU or EFI.
Step 3. Remove the ECU fuse.
Carefully pull out the ECU or EFI fuse using your hand, or a small plastic fuse puller. Once removed, wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. This clears the stored memory of the car's computer, including the throttle body settings. Step 4. Reinstall the fuse. After waiting, put the fuse back into its slot securely. Step 5. Start the car. Now start the engine and let it idle for about 5 minutes without pressing the accelerator. The ECU will relearn and reset the throttle position automatically. You've just reset your throttle body using only the fuse box. This simple trick can smooth out your idle, improve throttle response, and save you a trip to the mechanic. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss more easy car tips.